Listen, this year is an epic year for business owners, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, ministry leaders, or just individuals, maybe like you, who really want to take their businesses, ministries, income streams, and wealth building dreams to the next level. I'm hosting here in our headquarters, right from Buckhead. Of course, it's going to be in person and it's going to be available virtually. Some VIP workshops. These VIP workshops are going to be tailored to help you get into the nuts and bolts of things that are going to help you start, structure, and scale your business, your ministry, your income streams, and your wealth building dreams. I want you to click the link in this video. We have a VIP discount for 65% off. The discount code is VIP 2021. Whatever it is that you need to learn the nuts and bolts on, these VIP workshops are going to help you tremendously.